The Ministry of Labour and Social Security has issued a statement on lost, damaged or destroyed pension books. It comes following a TVJ news report on a pensioner from Westmoreland who was denied his monthly payment after his book was lost during Melissa. Jamila Maitland has this primetime news follow-up.
When 74-year-old Joseph Murdoch visited the Ministry of Labour and Social Security's office in Savalamar, Westmoreland for his pension pickup, he was not expecting to be turned away.
I never feel well. When I got to the office first, they told me that they cannot help me. I must go to Sablama, and I've been down there, borrow fee, go down there. And I think I pay back it here and then.
Mr. Murdoch was denied the benefits because he lost his pension order book during Hurricane Melissa.
This can't take it away from me. I threw myself down, they take it away from me. With all me KRM and all many papers to the government too.
Now, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security says all damaged books must be returned to the nearest parish office, where a new one will be issued between 2 to 3 weeks. For lost or destroyed books, pensioners should complete 2 forms available at the parish office and a replacement book issued within a month. As for what happens in the meantime for NIS payments, the statement did not say. Mr. Murdoch, however, had a lot of thought.
Is it help me out? And when I was drawing my money, I never get angry. I did say, boy, when I get ended, then we refund a little back to me. I feel so happy, but this time coming and messed up everything.
The ministry is encouraging pensioners to switch to direct deposit so the payments can be made directly to their bank accounts. The ministry says it will eliminate the risk of stolen, lost, or damaged books. Additionally, it reduces wait times at the NIS office. But for 74-year-old Joseph Murdoch,
no, we don't join line up here neither. We just stand until others get a move, others come in his place, others get a move. That's the way we get it up here.
So you would want to use like the electronic one to go to the bank and get your card?
No, I don't want the bank. I don't like
the manage the card, Jamila.
I can't manage the card, but they had not too good enough.
The distribution of benefits has not only affected Murdoch, but several other pensioners in the hardest hit parishes affected by Hurricane Melissa. Mr. Murdoch is calling for more empathy to be shown to pensioners in the aftermath of a Category 5 storm. For the ministry, it says it stands ready to assist the pensioners with any questions or concerns. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.